Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. By default, when you try to open a folder and its subfolder on your computer, it will open in the same window. But somehow you may find it opening in a new Explorer window when you double click on a folder. So in this video, I will going to show you how to fix this. Suppose if you want to click this PC and now you want to click on this folder C drive. Under this you want to open the folder program files. Under program files, if you want to open the Microsoft Office folder, and under Microsoft Office you want to open the Office 14 folder. Separate windows will be opened for each and every folder and its subfolders. So I am going to show you how to fix this. So first I need to close this. Here you will find the File Explorer. Click on the File Explorer. Then File Explorer page will open. From the left side, click on File. And under drop down menu, you will find Change Folder and Search option. Click on that. Then under General tab, you will find Browse Folder. So under Browse Folder, here open each folder in its own window. It's been selected. So you have to select open each folder in the same window. So click on this and apply. Click on apply and OK. C drive, program files, Microsoft Office. Then you will find each time you will open each and every folder and the subfolder, it will open in the same window. This is how you can fix folder opening in separate window on Windows 10. So hope this video will help you. If you really like this, please do subscribe and share it with others. Thank you.